Very eclectic group of motorcycles here. We've got the AJS, we've got the Thruxton. This is a new Honda CTX. I've never seen one of those before. Like a cruiser style. Vincent Black Shadow 69 Trophy. And a new Triumph, I think. Great. There's his electronic ignition. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. We're out for a little ride on a very varied mixture of motorcycles this morning. We've got Geoff up ahead on his AJS, the modern Triumph, 69 Trophy Triumph, Vincent Black Shadow, CTX Honda, and this is my Triumph Thruxton. So Mike here has friends and family over. This is Paul, his friend over from the UK. So we're just taking them for a little ride out. We might end up down at the Top Wire project. We don't have a lot of time, so it's about, I don't know, maybe half an hour. Mike here brought his brother Pad up front and his friend Paul over to the mighty garage last night, and here are just a couple of clips of them arriving. Yeah, it's always fun to just sit around and chat about bikes. We had a good evening, so thanks a lot for coming over, guys. I enjoyed it very much. Gave me an opportunity to get all my bikes out, and clean the garage out and tidy things up a little bit, push everything back in later on. Just doing a quick fuel stop. Just riding down to Geoff's this morning on this, I was like, oh, it's effortless compared to the vintage bikes. You just push a button and go. It's so easy to ride. One thing I do need on this bike for sure that I'm wearing are earplugs. This has got the longer front prop stand. That was a very nice time at the Top Wire project. The guys really enjoyed it. It's a really nice venue. Behind us. Ambulance, I think. Talking about how he needs to continue to ride it further and further just to build the confidence levels up, but seems to be going so well so far, touch wood.